Hey, what's up? Look at him, there he is.
Oh shit.
The demo man. Get this.
Damn.
Sawzall boy got a little hot. Things seen better days. What do you think, Monday?
Yeah.
Got a little ED going on here. Yeah, you need to go see the doctor. Dang. It's on the ground, boys. Let's go.
All right.
Good job.
Look how I did the hole.
Let's go.
Yeah, she survived.
That worked out perfect.
Alright, let's start with it. You get out of here, dude.
Sounds good, bro.
Now we'll take 5 and then we'll get started on
All right. Getting close.
I'm gonna cut them off.
Cool. All right. I'm about to head out to the dump. Get rid of this first load. These guys are gonna start taking the roof apart. We're gonna set it in a separate pile we got to recycle some stuff. And then we'll have to just finish up the framing from all the rafters and stuff. And then we'll be on our way. So let's keep cruising. Okay, back from the dump run. Found a good spot here in Beaumont, but now we got Monte over here. He's taking off the metal roofing. We're gonna separate that so we can get it recycled, and then we'll just have the wood framing of the roof to get hauled out for disposal. So probably one more dump run, and then we'll just head home with all this stuff. So wrapping it up. It's kind of a tough one here, getting this metal roofing off. The nails are rusted in, so we're just manhandling it off. There, you can see right now.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, move down.
Boom, just like that. Roof is gone. And we're gonna be hauling that out now. Make sure I'll get your free estimates. All right, almost there.
Almost.
All right, the shed is gone. It is 3:51. We started around 7:30 technically when we got started, so it was a good day, but a good job, a big job for us. No more shed. We just finished loading up the final trailer, so we'll bring that one back to Tomball with us and dispose of that next week before our next job. But yeah, hell yeah.